Hello guys, welcome to Math 101. Today we're going to talk about division. Division is a way to share things equally, and it's really useful. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to divide numbers equally. Let's dive right in. So, what is division? Think of it like this. Division means splitting things into equal parts. Just like this. See? 2 into 1. Imagine you have some candies and you want to share them with your friends so that everyone gets the same amount. That's what division helps us do as well. Just like this. I'll give you a visual to understand. Sorry, I'm taking so long. You can skip ahead if you don't want to see the visual. So now, there are 3 candies in total now. Each person will have the same number of candies, which is 1 candy each. Let's start with an example. Suppose you have 12 candies and you want to share them equally with 3 friends. How do we do that? It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now we have 12 candies. Now, we need to make 3 groups because we have 3 friends. Alright? So, yeah. Now, let's put these candies into these groups one by one, and the group is basically the friend, okay? So one group is basically one friend, okay? Now let's count how many candies are in each group. So we're going to do by one. So, yeah. You may skip ahead if you want to see the final result and not wait for me to finish drawing all this. Okay, now let's count how many candies are in these groups, okay? So as we can see, each group has 4 candies. That means 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. Okay? Now, to write that mathematically, we would do 12 divided by 3, and that is the quotient, by the way. Oh, shoots. You can't really see the division sign. Redo that. Okay, now it will be a bit clearer. Yeah. So the division sign is called the quotient, okay? And that's how to write it mathematically. Capiche? Capiche? You see, each friend gets 4 candies, and no candies are left over. That's the goal of division, to share things equally. Division is closely related to multiplication. If we know that 3 times 4 equals 12, you can easily find that 12 divided by 3 equals 4. It's like finding the missing piece in a puzzle. Another way to understand division is by using repeated subtraction. Let's use our example with 12 candies again. We will keep subtracting 3 candies at a time until we reach 0. Okay, so 12 minus 3 equals 9. 9 minus 3 equals to 6. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. And 3 minus 3 equals to 0. We subtracted 3, a total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. This means that 12 divided by 3 is 4. So division is about finding how many times we can subtract a number from another number. Sometimes division doesn't divide things perfectly, and we have leftovers. These leftovers are called remainders. Let's see an example with remainders. Imagine you have 14 candies and you want to share them equally with 4 friends. Okay? Oh, I know. I'm using candies as an example way too much, but I love candies, so we're going to use them. Okay? Let's divide 14 candies into 4 groups. Just give me some time to draw the faces. Alright. Now, I'm going to use repeated subtraction, which is one of the methods I showed you before, to solve this question, okay? So, we're going to do, so that's, 14 divided by 4, of course, equals 2, 3. What am I writing? Oh, sorry. 14 divided by 4 equals question mark, because we don't know that yet. Okay. Guys, this is a voice over, so don't judge me too much for messing up so many times. Okay, so we're going to use repeated subtraction instead as a method to solve this question. So, we're going to do 14 minus 4 equals to 10. 10 minus 4 equals to 6. 6 minus 4 equals to 2. And 2 minus 4 equals to negative 2. But wait, now we're in the negative because there's not enough left for us to subtract it by 4 and get 0. So that means that the remainders are going to be 2. Alright? And so that means the answer is going to be 14 divided by 4 equals to 3 because we minus 4 by 3. Right? Like we managed 14 by 4 3 times, okay? And we still didn't reach 0. And that's going to have a remainder of 2. Alright? Alright? Yes. Alright. The R stands for remainder. So sometimes you may have a few left over when you divide. Okay? Another way to understand division is by using a number line. Let's use the same example with 12 divided by 3. We start at 12 and make jumps of 3 until we reach 0. Okay? So now we have 2 jumps, 2 big jumps. We have 3 big jumps. Now we have 4 big jumps. So that means we have to make 4 jumps to reach 0. Each jump represents one group of 3, okay? That means 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. Let's try a word problem to see division in action, okay? Imagine you have 20 cookies and you want to pack them into boxes with 5 cookies in each box. How many boxes do you need? You may skip ahead if you don't want to see my awesome drawing of cookies, okay? And if you just want to see the final result. I'll also give you some, while I'm drawing this is some time to solve the question, okay? And I'll solve it when I finish drawing. Okay, so I'm going to use the method of repeated subtraction to solve this question, okay? So 20 minus 5 equals to 15. 15 minus 5 equals to 10. 10 minus 5 equals to 5. And 5 minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, we subtracted 1, 2, 3, 4 times to reach 0. That means 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. By the way, you could use any method you wanted, but I just prefer this method, okay? This means that each box will have 4 cookies. Since this is a word problem, you would write this in sentence form, okay? So you would write, there would be 4 cookies in each box. Okay? Great job. Today, we learned that division is a way to share things equally. We saw that 12 divided by 3 is 4, 20 divided by 5 also equals 4, and 14 divided by 4 equals 3 with the remainder of 2. We also learned about remainders and using a number line for division among other methods. Keep practicing and you'll get even better at division. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more math tips and tricks. See you next time!